Hey everybody, this is Scott with Apple Chevrolet here in Tinley Park, Illinois. Today we're looking at the all-new Chevy Blazer here at Apple Chevy. We've got almost $4,000 in savings on the brand new Blazers, and you can get into a new one today for just over $30,000 depending on what kind of options you need in your vehicle. As you can see here, we have a large collection of new Blazers in various color and trim options. We can take a little closer look at this guy here. This is a front wheel drive Blazer equipped with a 3.6 liter V6, cloth interior, and an automatic transmission. There are a couple notable features in the vehicle here. This will have everything that you need, and it will leave you the option to add things on or jump up trim levels if you so desire. There is your air and heat controls, as well as some handy plugs and your drive mode options, as well as your touchscreen radio with the Apple CarPlay and Android Auto compatibility. If you have any questions about the Blazer or any other vehicle here at Apple Chevrolet, please get in touch with our sales department at 708-429-3000. That's 708-429-3000. You can also check us out online at applechevy.com, where we have our entire new and pre-owned inventory listed for you to check out. Come find your perfect vehicle today. Thank you.